We the two for both fair oyahi. Feel for it, fai. Yeah, they were total. We've got 3 viewers now, 7 and climbing. Talo Falava, everyone. Good morning. It's now 11:46, nearly noon here in Hawaii. Malo Sefua Andrew Asiasi. Malo Lava Sefua Antirine, Talo Falava. Thank you folks for tuning in. Bora and Mapusanga Palia. Malo Sefua. Hi Carolyn. Talo for Jason Belford. Easter Fafiti, Malo Lava Sefua. Easter, if you're a female, you cannot call me Uso, please. Savayan guy, Malo Sefua, Leu Makua Kelifoi, Uncle, Lava Uso. Mike Fruin, good morning, Malo Sefua, Manguia de Fionga. Yeah, o ngā solo mai pia, whatalo whātu sunga, whawhiangainga, ne Maya Faltongo, Pastor Maya, Uncle, thank you for tuning in, thank you for joining us. Malo Lava Sefua, Tinaya Whai Lei Audualo. Malo le Soifumaua, Faye Vintama, good morning, good morning. Darla Daya, Lupe Manu, Malo Lava Le Suifumoa, Weez Compton, what's up, Uso? What's up? Love my baby boy MJ Tole, yeah, Malo Le Suifua, I Tato Wo My Vegas, Jay Leia, Malo Lava Suifua, thank you for tuning in from New Zealand, Luisa Stephanie, Talo Falava, Taya Manuia, Langi Mamai Fionga. Uso is a term from male to male counterpart. Female to male, you would consider me your tuangane. Male to female, you are considered my tuafafine. It is because like I mentioned before, the sacred bond. The sacred bond, ole usonga, is a brother between a brother and a sister between a sister. Yes, Sek? So that is why you cannot call me Uso, because you are my sister and I respect you. So if I were to call you Uso, I would be disrespecting you. And I don't want to disrespect anyone except for Junior. Not all the juniors though. Maloles Uso ya Ramsey, Uso ya Tifano, Queenie Sangpol Telelatu, Malol Sefua, Milton Nasi, Uso! How you doing, Milton? Uso ya Jesse, Uso Uso ya Stone, Kamai Kileonge, Pora, watching from New Zealand. Collins Milo, Malo, Serifua. Yeah. Oh, Taylor, Tato. Yeah. No, don't apologize. Don't apologize. Listen, you have no reason to apologize if you didn't know. And that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. Fa malo atu le soifua ile sunga ya Edward Falele wa mfaifoyon Tato fatasi ni netula li netalui o suinga wa faitamai. Yeah, malo lava ya le soifumawa. Ole taya ole ne. This morning we're going to be talking about Ītutino, or body parts, and so we're going to go over the layman terms, pulingangana yasofaiso, and the upufa aloalo, or the respectful terms. Mind you, remember what I said in the beginning, what I said to start off. I do not have all the answers. What I share with you is the knowledge that was given to me. So we'll start from the top. The first thing you see on me is my hair. Okay? My hair. My hair, laulu. Laulu / lawao. Laulu / lawao. Yeah. Our secretary is going to pin up these 2 words, and
I'm learning, everybody.
yeah, life for you learn. Bye. Don't think that you're the only ones learning. Secretary is learning too. She is one of the reasons why I wanted to start this, because initially I thought everyone who grew up in Samoa knew the things that I knew growing up in Samoa. So I kong yakuisyo kala ya secretary. For my secretary, so Sec, come on, Sec, you're supposed to know these things. Yeah. So let's get back to class. Laulu, lawau. Laulu is the layman's terms. Lawau, upu fa'aloalo. Yang le kong se melu o felo se le mai. Laulu, lawau. Laulu, lawau. Upu fa'aloalo, lawau. Respectful term, lawau. Okay, everyday term or layman term, laulu. Right underneath your laulu, you have your, right in the middle. The middle is your tumuai. Tumuai. Ti u mo u. A fa mafai. Oi lei a koma liu I. Yeah. Tumuai. The center of your head or your skull. It's your tumuai. And growing up, I was told that, never cover this of the baby because the Samoans believe that's where they first start breathing from. Le tumuai. Yeah, from tumuai. Yeah. Liangala lele wo pin lo tumuai. Ya pin leo ko vai ku pin. O so lo kingo pe pelo so. Yeah. Ngale wo ku mai tumuai. Now, the head underneath the hair, mankua laulu, tumuai, you have ulu. Ulu. Or au. Ulu/au. Spell out. Yeah. Ulu/au. But my Lord, so yeah, Paul. Chester, like Chester, my brother Chester. Ulu, how? Ulu, layman terms. This is your head. This is, again, I'm touching here because it's my forehead. You have your ulu or your how. Okay. Muaulu. Forehead. Muaulu. M-U. Mafa'a U-L-U. Muaulu. No Kurt, not how. How. A-O. Okay, now, after you have your lawau, your au, tumuai, muaulu, fasolo mailalo, itato laumata. Laumata, eyelash, eyebrow. Laumata, eyelash, eyebrow. Lau mata. Tashide upu. Ya, ave yele upu fa'aloalo. Lau fofonga. Remember, lau fofonga is also a upu wingalasi, or a what? A word with meanings that are many. So, laumata, upu fa'aloalo, lau fofonga. Okay, lau fofonga. Now we have mata. Yeah, famaisio full mata. Famaisio full mata. Yeah, your eyelashes, your eyebrow, lau mata. Hair of your eyes. Full mata. Yeah. So next we have our eyes. Mata. Mata. Upu fa'aloalo, fofonga. Lau mata, fofonga. Okay. Kang lai fa'sa'on mele lang leo se ya fono. Okay. Mata, talinga, isu, ngutu, auvae, upu fa'aloalo, fofonga. Mata, isu, talinga, ngutu, auvae. No. I see this from Spo Stali. Leai. Ulu, Yeah, oh yeah, lai sa my Spo, lai sa Spo. Thank you, Spo. Thank you, Spo. So hulu if is fatmama fa hulu is fatmama fa So hyphenated u lu. The breadfruit ulu is komaliliu u. Komaliliu u. Okay, or glottal stop ulu ulu, the breadfruit. Hyphenated ulu ulu. Okay, head. Okay, so mata, talinga, isu, ngutu, alvai, because it's all on your face. O fofonga. O fofonga. These le upufaloalo fofonga. Okay. Nifo. Nifo, oloa. Nifo, oloa. Teeth, oloa. Lips, laungutu. Lips, laungutu, laufofonga. Laufofonga. Yeah, laufofonga. Leanga, everything pertaining to the face, o fofonga. Yeah. Ole ua. Elese famamafa. There's no famamafa, no hyphenated letter. Just ua. 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 Neck. Okay. Then we come to the arm. Lima tangata. Okay. Now let's start. Tau au. Shoulder. Yeah. Tau au. Shoulder. O ngā lima. Tuli lima. O ngā lima. Tapu lima. Alofi lima. Tamai mai lima. Hatingi lima. Tua lima. Okay. Tau au. Shoulder. I'm sorry. Upulang pauwak yao. Au. Au. Shoulder. Tau au. Underarm. Au. Arm o ngā lima. Elbow tuli lima. Forearm o ngā lima. Wrist tapu lima. Back of the hand tua lima. Fingers tamai lima. Nails atingi lima. Palm alofi lima. Okay. Wayai tato. Let's do that again. Tau au, shoulder. Au underarm. O ngā lima, arm. Tuli lima, elbow. O ngā lima, forearm. Tapu lima, wrist. Tua lima, back of your hand. Tamai mai lima, fingers. Ating lima, nails. Alofi lima, palm. Yeah. So, tato o ile fata. Fata, chest. Fata, chest. Mai kau mai, o leo umale roko, o leo umai si upulele uvaya kuya o se pendi se ngana kau nga fia o makamaka ya. Fata. Pute. Manava. Chest. Belly button. Stomach. Fata. Pute. Manava. Yele comments lenga sau fa mai bongalo le mea lea. Taifo, secretary, oran melea. Ha? Tuaua lea. Muliulu. Muliulu. Or the back of your head. Yeah. Lealano vai atu silia le wo tato de upu. No. Tulou, muli. The reason why I say tulou, because muli is considered vulgar. Yeah. So you don't say muli. Yeah, you say tulou, muli. Or if you're talking to your friends, then you can use a term. No. Muli. Fa alo. No foi. Okay? No foi. Your buttocks, your gluteus maximus, your rear end, your behind. No foi is the upu fa alo. But layman terms, no or muli. Tulou. No. N-O-O. N-O. Koma liliu O. N-O. Glottal stop O. Yeah. Ngai loakud kako. Ngai kakud kako secretary. Mapingi kako comments. Okay. O-O. 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 Ribs. Fa mafa uma'o. Awa ale fa mafai o. Ya. O. Fa filipingo kako. Leai. O. Ya. Lesimela. Ya, nga. O. Your ribs. O. Your ribs. O. Your ribs. Now, when you're standing in front of your parents and you put your hands like this, they say, "Lan me wayo pui manava." Mangkua oi. O ribs ay lunga I. Ole o le lunga I. Pui manava me ia. This is your pui manava. This is your o. Rib cage o. Mele ta ul pui manava. Mele o pe fali. Okay. Ole tuaua. Eva solo tuaua. The back of your neck. Papatua. Your back. Tua is back. So when we say valulo tua, it's you're translating it straight to English. But it is your papatua. Papatua. Your back. Papatua back. Amaloa tu sunga ya Alvin leuso. Alola uso. Tão fai vai tu lava. Tuaua na wavatu. Papatua. Leai. Lama ole fata. Elei ole fata ave tatou ile Ītutino la e o tatou tua fine wa mai tau mai e tatou tele so na fo upuna. E ole fata. Leango I e fata I dunga ia tatou ofu. Ya. Fa solo atu lalo ile no foi po le no foanga le no muli se tulou. Ya ona tatou ole tatou o ngā vai. Your thighs. Your thighs. For my kala iska kenki. Oh, I hate my thunder thighs. But your thunder thighs were the reason why the white men were scared of you. Because they know you don't mess with a woman with thunder thighs. Because nga lavele thigh Yahweh. Rest in peace. Yeah. O nga vai are your thighs. Your inner thighs. You hear the difference. They are your thighs and they are your inner thighs. Your inner thighs are your awanga. Awanga. Not awana, like the Hawaiian dance. Awanga. Awanga. Okay? Humalo awanga. So solo atu do ilalo iotuli vai. Your knees. Okay? After your awanga, you go down from your thighs, your knees. You have your knees. Now, your knees, they have a kneecap. That is called tupe ole tuli. Ole tupe. Ole tupe. That's your kneecap. Yeah. Solo atroidola iele ate vai. Ate vai. Or your calves. Ate vai. Ya, le voice au no mai le uso ya Jesse tafa alo o lawalo, ya, o le puni alo, ya, o le manava por puti o isi na upu fa alo, ya mantu o tatole amata, because a lot of our brothers and sisters, I'm just trying to introduce them to some of the upu fa alo. But thank you very much. To tell you, if you're watching, a lot of the comments you get a lot of information too from some of our patrons, and so you can watch, look at their comments, and learn from them as well. Not just the teacher. The teacher doesn't have all the answers. Yeah, umalota to ativai, or your calves. Ona sosoa tuaidola ia matato tapuvai. Tapuvai, or our ankles. Tapu vai, ankles. Tapu lima, tapu vai. Tapu lima, tapu vai. Okay. After your tapu vai, you have your feet. Ovai. Ovai foot. Ovai. And then you have your toes. Tamai vai. Mulivai. Heel. Heel ativai. Ativai calf. Lenga ikangoka.
No, I'm reading someone's comment.
Ole mulivai. Your heel mulivai. Mulivai heel. Alofi vai. The bottom of your feet. Alofi vai. Alofi lima. Tapu lima. Tapu vai. You kind of catch the connection? Yeah. So mulivai is your heel. Mulivai is your heel. Alofi vai is the bottom of your feet. Ta mai mai vai, or your toes, and then atingi vai, your toenails. Okay. So I want to go over those things again, because now from your shoulder to your fingernail, upufa alo alo, au. From your shoulder to your nail, au. Upufa alo alo, au. From your thighs to the soles of your feet, po'alofio vai. Au fo. Your extremities, your arms and your legs, upufa alo alo, au. Okay? Wa yai. Ya, uko va ailal fali secretary. Au. Fa mamafa a. Fa mamafa a. Oh. Fa mamafa a. Fa mamafa a. Oile. We va aila. Kusaleo saulo wika. Komaliliu a o. Leai uso hips o ia pui manava. Ia. Leai. Hips, leai. Hips ele pui manava. Leai hips o le sui lapa lapa. Leo o to tau mai lo mawafau. Sui lapa lapa. Those are your hips. Sui lapa lapa. Dila pena ko secretary. Sui lapa lapa are your hips. Mantua pui manava, the sides of your stomach. Mea tapuia lo manava. The things that guard your stomach. Yeah, le if I make carol, your waist. Yeah, sao carol, waist. Pui manava, waist. O ribs, le lunga mai. Ai o tatou hips. Le ai o sui lapa lapa. Sui lapa lapa. Le o se hope o le hips. Whailo tusi? Oh man. Ukova aya kula le dash ngai kongol Mea-Uli Samoa. Ngale fai mai the secretary. Afa kingo mai secretary le dash. All right, yeah. O le tatu fason na le necha yao. O Ītutino. So let's start from the top. Lauao, laulu, hair. Tumuai, center of your head. Muliulu, Mea-Ulu, Ulu, Upfaloalo, Hao. Forehead, back of your head, Upfaloalo, Hao. Talinga, Mata, Isu, Ngutu, Auwai, Oa, o Fofonga, Upfaloalo, Fofonga. Lau, fulu mata, lau mata, ava, lau Fofonga, or hair on your body. Yes. Ivi aso, yeah, o ribs. Lisi nga upe ave o ribs, ada o au tafai o ivi aso, o milenga ave ese mai ile. O if you look at the manku ele upu mantua pe no fayatu. Samoan is a descriptive language. O mea ta o aso. O la tona na pe tapui support. This is an aso Mafo angala ngai ta wai fo ivi aso. Ada o fo. Leango lo pupula. Mankua pupula mai pengal student ya teacher. If I play teacher, o epic e fia poco. Yeah. Lila, yeah. Lau ngutu. La fo fali secretary. Mea le fia ya pe chop we. O loa, nifo. O leua. Tua ua. O pona o leua. Pona o leua. You usually hear people say, oh, you lo pona ua. Tulo. Yeah, that's your Adam's apple. So Adam's apple. Yeah. Fata. Manava. Pute. Yeah. Ole upfaloalo. Ole manava. Pute. Ole laualo. Avatu upuna e tasi mo nei taimi. Laualo. Upfaloalo manava. Laualo. Tau au. Au. O ngā lima. Tuli lima. O ngā lima. Tapu lima. Tua lima. Tamai lima. Atingi lima. Alofi lima. Upufaloalo. From here to here. Au. Papa tua. Back. Papa tua. Above the back. Tuaua. Okay? Yeah, luatula ilalo. Buttocks. Bole no'o. Bole muli se tulo. No upufaloalo. No foi. No fuanga. Okay? Yeah. Your thighs. O ngā vai. Inner thighs. O awanga. Your knees. Tuli vai. The kneecap. Tupe o le tuli. Your calves. Ate vai. Your ankles. Tapu vai. Your soles of the feet. Alofi vai. Your toes. Ta mai vai. Your toenails. Atingi vai. Okay? Now, I want to share with you, because although this is a tapulima, although this is a tulilima, although this is a tau-au, although you have your tuli, your tapuvai, there are considered, although they have names to them, they are still considered ngaungatino, or your joints, or laleshi upu, soonga, ngaunga lima, ngaunga vai, or joints, soonga. So o ngā iwi. Yeah, o tātou whaasole nā ni tai au. I hope it was informative. I hope I was able to help you all. And I hope we are able to discuss and share more in the near future. Thank you all for tuning in. I love you all. Ia teres tau manu le ne yaso manuia la sanga matou fuafuanga. Ia tau mai langi se tau matu palpala a wafo le tau au nanga masani. Mal tau sapaya o le Mea-Uli Samoa. I have ele nei tula tatu tima vai ai. My name is Kaliana. I'm 6 years old and I like this. I love it. I learned my Samoan language. Kaliana, I am glad that you have found le Mea-Uli Samoa. And I am more than happy to help teach wherever I can. And if you know other Samoans out there who feel like they aren't Samoan enough or they've been pushed away by our people for too long, invite them. We are now on YouTube at Le Mea-Uli Samoa and also at on Instagram. Le Mea-Uli Samoa is one word. Le Mea-Uli Samoa on Instagram is one word. Yeah. Yeah. Please bear with us. Please bear with us as we slowly set these things up. Because I'm not very tech savvy. Ale no male secretary. Secretary nga ia le tech savvy. Wa uia o le whaasoa. Secretary o le matatou masini wha technology matatou atai whaalu lunga upenga ta whailangi. Technology, if you're wondering what earth is that, technology is technology in Samoan. Teknology. Remember now, in Samoan, you cannot put two vowels together. It always is a vowel, a consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. You can also have vowels put together. So every time you hear a word in Samoan, you can easily break it down. Pela tatu sengaling fayatu mumbuat tatu are letters. The class we had on the pi tau tau alphabeta or the alphabets manumera. You can learn from there the sound of the letters, and then easily break down the Samoan words when you hear them. Yeah. So again, thank you very much. Esungal fa fengainga ni mai fa tongo fa fatai mo le temi we fa avanoina fa soa twaise malamlama uti uti. A little knowledge that I have to share. I am thankful that you are receptive. Have a blessed day. May God bless you all, and I pray that you all stay blessed. Yeah, soy fu ma yamanuia. Oi, could you pin your other websites on here, please? I will put it onto I will post it. I will make a post and I'll put it out there. So please stay tuned for that. Lovat, soy fu. Have a blessed day.